Okay, so these are the True Fresh washing machine cleaner tablets. It's good for regular or high efficiency washers. It's good for top or front loading washers. It comes with 25 tablets, and my washer is newer and it has like a clean cycle. So I just drop one of these in there and then run the cleaning cycle. If it doesn't have a cleaning cycle, then you have instructions here on how to do it on a top loader and instructions here on how to do it on a front loader. So washing machines can get stinky, especially front loaders. So you need to do this every once in a while. It just gets in all those cracks and crevices and removes all the buildup, and then it cleans your clothes better. So this suggests using the cleanser once a week. I don't use it that often, but I guess it depends on how much laundry you do. I would say, if you do a lot of laundry, once a week's probably great, or maybe once every 2 weeks. So it gets rid of, any buildup, any mildew smell. They work really well, and it's a good value, 25 tablets. Some of the other brands that I've tried are just really pricey, and it only comes with like 1 or 2 tablets in a pack. So give this a try, the True Fresh washing machine cleaner.